Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Huawei Nova 11i. And to do this you will need to open the app gallery. Right here find the NotifyBuddy. It's the app that allows us to get custom LED lamp notifications. Select Get. This should transfer you to a different website, so it's a kind of third-party website, not the app gallery, so we need to download the app file right here. Click on Download App. When it's ready, select Download. And then open the app, allow to send notifications or whatever, and install it. Here's click on the open and we can begin the setup. So move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. And last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From there you can start using this app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and Settings. In User you can pick any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing with all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Let's click on the test button and you should see your LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.